Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out the JasmyCoin chart. And as you can see, we got a huge move on the upside, starting from here, about 1.5 to around the highest high, about let's say like the 2 cents area, meaning we got pretty much a 35% move on the upside, which is definitely a good pump. Now, if you remember in the previous video, we talked about this scenario suggesting off of the lowest low, we are able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I said after it, we may see a consolidation and then we want to see another move on the upside. And back then, I wasn't really sure about the shape of the move. We just said what we want to see is a very strong move in order to take this important high about 1.75 cents. And that kind of played out. Now, here's a very important point. Why did this high matter to us so much? Because in here in JasmyCoin, there was a chance that maybe this was like a bearish head and shoulder structure. And if you remember specifically 3 days ago, I said if we get a choppy move up, that can be just a simple pullback to the next line of this head and shoulder, and we may see a continuation of the move. Now, however, this pattern will get invalidated the moment that we take the height of our right shoulder. And now that we have done it, I think we can all safely assume this is an absolutely beautiful bullish sign. Also, another good sign in terms of classic technical analysis, meaning supports and resistances, this was a very important resistance area for us. Now, why do I say resistance? But in here, we were absolutely above this region because these weren't actually complete break. You see, this is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. And if you want to say it's broken and we have successfully reclaimed that, you need to see a candle close above here, followed by that a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. Now let's go on the live chart. Okay, I can tell you in none of these moves, we didn't have a successful reclaim of this important area of supply. But in the recent move, we absolutely got it. You can now safely say this is our initial breaking phase, followed by that a brilliant pullback, and then a continuation of the move up. And if I just hide everything, as you can see in it, we have clearly taken this important high about 1.9 cents. So in my books, this is yet another beautiful sign. Now, about the shape of the move, I think we can all agree on the fact that this is an impulsive structure. Question is, can we argue this is a complete impulse to about this point? Maybe. You see, I can say this is a 5 wave up into a wave 1, then correction to about this point, probably into wave 2, and then another move up, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to about here into wave 3, correction for 4, another move into wave 5. This scenario is possible. Now, I'm not going to say this is my primary case because I'm thinking from this point to about this high, we are on our way to complete a complete 5 wave into this wave 3, and then maybe even this one is going to be a correction for 4, and followed by that, we are going to have another move into wave 5. And question, what happens after a 5 wave up? You know the answer, a move on the downside. But I'm hoping that move is going to be just a simple consolidation pattern. And assuming that we identify the right structure in here, this can be a beautiful long opportunity, because who knows, maybe this is actually 5 up into 1, correction for wave 2. And what are we going to have next if this is happening? You know it, a big move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. So this move up inside it definitely has a lot of optimistic signs. And here is another one. Let's go on H4 time frame. Okay, let's actually hide everything. Okay, what do we have in indicators? As you can see, in MACD, this is a high. The other one is a lower high, and in RSI, we are having pretty much the same situation. But on the live chart, we are having a high, and the other one is a higher high. So I'm trying to tell you this is a beautiful bearish divergence. But why is this an optimistic sign? Well, pay attention. What happened recently in the last, let's say, 24 hours? We absolutely got a break of the divergence line, which means number 1, the divergence is invalidated, and number 2, bulls do have a lot of control over the price, and maybe even soon we can see some higher prices. Why do I say so? Because if this scenario is happening and we are having like a 1 2 3 and then correction for another move into wave 5, there's a chance that this might actually get a bit extended. Why? Because above here we do not really have a whole lot of strong resistances until I believe it was somewhere around the 2.4 to about 2.5 cents region right in here. So who knows, if in Jasmy we are actually really looking optimistic and bullish, this move is going to continue for another 30 to even 40%. I think that can happen, but again, after it, I want you to consider please a move on the downside, and I am kind of confident about that move because in H4 time frame, this move up, as you can see, happened a bit too fast, and as a result of it, I think it was around the 1.6 cents area. We created a beautiful gap, and since I believe gaps 95+% of the time are going to get filled, from my point of view, makes perfect sense to argue if we're going to get a move down in Jasmy, and hopefully it's going to be in form of a correction. One very likely target for it can be reaching to somewhere around here. It's just a question of whether before that we are going to have like a big move up, or we're going to do something like this, consolidation, and then we are going to get the next major phase of this uptrend. Now, so far we talked about all the bullish signs that we are able to identify in here, but this is a key, pay attention. Every single analyst at any given moment should be able to come up with a bullish and also a bearish possibility at the same time. And for each scenario, we should all consider a very important invalidation point. The question is, what is going to be the invalidation point for this whole bullish possibility, suggesting the low in JasmyCoin is already in about 0.8 of a cent? Well, in the previous videos, when we were around these areas, I wasn't really sure. I was saying if we get a break of this region, meaning we successfully go under it, odds are the next target is going to be all the way down here. I didn't really have a decent invalidation point, but now the story is way different. Okay, you can consider two scenarios in here between the bullish ones. Either we have completed a 5-wave up from here to about this point, or maybe our 5-wave actually ended right in here. Nonetheless, we are absolutely able to find a 5-wave in this phase up, followed by that. This is a correction structure, and I think we can now say this is definitely another impulsive movement on the upside. Now, if we are looking bullish and optimistic, then okay, this can be a wave 1, correction for 2, and at the moment we are on our way to have a big move into wave 3 and 4 and 5. On the other hand, if this is not going to be in play and we are kind of bearish and we're going to get a move down, okay, odds are at that point we should consider the possibility of having an A, B, C zigzag, which, pay attention, will get kind of confirmed the moment that we see a big move down in Jasmy in order to take this important low about 1.45 cents. So this is going to be, from this point moving forward, our invalidation point for the bullish scenario. Take this low, that point we need to be extremely careful, do a consolidation, and then another big move up. Okay, that can be yet another bullish sign, and it will make us more confident about the final low in Jasmy being already in. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Jasmy's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.